somewhere too.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, I've seen 11 of them out here at one time.
Oh my God.
And I can guarantee you up around the corner, way up around the corner, there's 3 more pools up there. And I guarantee you there's some big Papa Daddies back up in there. That's the reason they're kind of sparsed out, because they don't get close to each other. They just eat in their own little area, okay, because they will chase each other off.
Huh.
So, but there's enough spawning back here. Now he's back in, he's going for some live fish.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He's staying up there.
He wants a live one. He wants a
Over
real
that
one.
area where
Okay, he wants one that tastes